Pancit Guisado. A main dish from Philippines. Serves 2. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Sautee garlic, onion, and meat in a saucepan. Add the vegetables and simmer with the broth. Step 2. Season with soy sauce and pepper. Add noodles and cook until dry. Step 3. Serve with green onions, sliced egg, with patis and lemon. Other vegetables can be added, depending on availability. Soak the dry noodles in hot water before adding into the vegetable and broth mix. CountryReports, culture, countries, travel.